morning children. How are you all? In the last class also we have done some multiplication sums, but today we are going to learn one new method of multiplication, that is a box method or lattice method. Let's take up one example. We are multiplying this question 345 by 37. We know 345 we are going to write in expanded form. How do we write in expanded form? We are going to see the digits of their places. So 5 is in the ones place, 4 in the tens place, and 3 in the hundred place. So one by one we are going to multiply the digit with their places. So 3 into 100, that is 300. 4 into 10, that is 40. 5 into 1, that is 5. And when we write the expanded form, we write with the plus sign. So this you already done in the last class also, that is expanded form. Now this next number is 37. We write this 37 is also an expanded form. So 7 in the ones place, 3 in the tens place. So we are going to multiply 3 with 10, that is 30. 7 into 1, that is 7. So in multiplication, this 345 is called a multiplicand and 37 is called a multiplier. Now we are going to write these numbers without plus sign like this: 300, 40 and 5. I write this 30 and 7 also in a column with multiplication sign. What we do? Now we are going to multiply all the numbers one by one, first by 30. See, we are going to multiply this 5 into 30. How do we multiply? 5 zeros are 0 and 5 threes are 15. Now we are going to multiply this 40 into 30. How do we, which is the easier way you see now? We are going to see the number of zeros in both. Here is also 0, here is also 0. So how many zeros are there? 2. What we do? We are going to write the 2 zeros first. Which numbers are left? 4. What is left here? 3. So 4 3s are 12. Now we are going to see 300 into 30. How many zeros are there in total? 1, 2, 3. So we are going to write 3 zeros first. 1, 2, 3 zeros. Now which numbers are left? 3. Here is also 3. So 3 3s are 9. So this is the way we are going to write the first row. Now we are going to multiply all the numbers again by 7. अब 7 से multiply करेंगे each and every number. Now you know, very simple. All you know the table of 5. 5 sevens are 35. Now here is 40 and here is 7. This is also very simple. How you do? We are going to see the number of 0. In 40 we have a 1 0. We have written 1 0. Which numbers are left? 4 and 7. You know the table of 4. 4 sevens are 28. Now 300 into 7. So how many zeros are there in both? 1, 2. I have written the zeros. Which numbers are left now? 3 and 7. All you know the table of 3. 3 sevens are 21. Now what is the next step we have to do? We are going to add the numbers column wise like this. 150 and 35 we are going to add. So first is there 0 plus 5. Answer is 5. Next is 5 plus 3. 8. 1. There is no 0. There is no number. It means 0 is here. So 1 plus 0, 1. Now we are going to add the next row. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 8, 8. Now what is 2 plus 2? 4. And here is 1. No number. So 1 plus 0, 1. Very simple addition that you know it very well. Now here is 0 plus 0 is 0. Now next number is, here is also 0, here is also 0. When we adding the zeros, what we get? 0. Now 0 plus 1, what we get? 1. Now we are going to add 9 plus 2, 11. So this is the way we added all the columns and got the answer. And what we do? We are going to write all these numbers in a column. That is 11,100, 1,480 and 185. These are the numbers I have written here, nothing else. Now we are going to add all these numbers one by one. 0 plus 0 plus 5, that is 5. 0 plus 8, 8 and 8, 16. What is carry? 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Now what is here? 1 plus 1, 2 and 2 plus 0, 2. Here is 1 plus 0, 1. Again 0, 1. So the answer will be 12,765. So I am going to explain this method once again. 693 into 44. What I told last, what is 693? It is a multiplicand. And what is this 44? It is a multiplier. And answer is called a product. So here I am going to again write this 693 in a expanded form. Now again I am going to check the places. See, 3 is in the ones place, 9 in the tens place and 6 in the hundred place. What I am going to do? I am going to see this digit 6, I multiply by their place 100. So 6 into 100, 600 I got. 9 into 10, 90. 3 is in the ones place, that is 3 into 1, 3. Now I am going to write this 44 is also an expanded form. Here is 44. This 4 is in the tens place and this 4 is in the ones place. So 4 into 10, I have written 40 and 4 into 1, I have written 4. 4 ones are 4. So what I told in the next, when we write these numbers, we don't use this plus sign. We only write the expanded form without plus sign. Like this, 690 and 3. And these numbers we write in a column. And since this is a multiplication sign, so I have written a multiplication sign. So what I am going to do in the what I have done, one by one I am going to multiply all the numbers. So first I see here is 3 and here is 40. Very simple. In 40 have a 1 0. I have written 1 0. And all children know the table of 3. 3 4s are 12. So answer is 120. So now here we have a 90 and here we have a 40. First what we'll do? We only see the number of zeros. How many zeros are there total? 1 and 2. I've written 2 zeros. Which are the numbers left? 9 and 4. 9 4s are 36. Now here we have a 600 and here we have a 40. So how many total zeros? First I am going to count that. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros are there. I have written these 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. And which are the numbers left? 6 and 4. All you know the table of 6. The 6 4s are 24. So this is the way I have written answer of the first row. Now which is the next number is there? 4. Again I am going to multiply all the numbers one by one. I believe all you know the table of 3. 3 4s are 12. Now here is 90 into 4. So in both having how many zeros? Only 1 0. I have written this. Which are the numbers left? 9 and 4. 9 4s are 36. Here we have a 600 and here we have 4. So how many zeros in both? 1, 2. So I have written here. Count the zeros with me. 1, 2. These 2 zeros I have written here first. And all you know the table of 6 also. The 6 4s are 24. What we have done in the last, after writing the numbers, we have added the numbers, which I am going to do here also. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 1. Here we don't have any number, it means 0. 1 plus 0, 1. Here 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 6, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. Here is 3, no number, it means 0. So 3 plus 0, 3. Now last one, 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 4, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Here we have 2, no number, it means 2 plus 0, 2. So what we did in the last one, after writing all this, we have put it in the column. Now I have written all the numbers in column now. 26,400, 3,960 and 132. What we did going to do now, we are going to add all these numbers. So here 0 plus 0 plus 2, that is 2. 0 plus 6, 6 and plus 3, 9. 4 plus 9, 13 and plus 1, 14. Now 14 only we are going to write 4. And 1 is carry. 6 plus 1, 7 and 7 plus 3, 10. All for 10 we have written 0 and 1 is carry. That is 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 0, 3. Again 0. So the answer will be 3. Answer has come now 30,492. Now we are going to do more sums where we have written number with zeros. Here we have written a first question 863 into 10. Last also in the previous questions you have seen what we have done. But we are going to check the number of zeros in the question first. So can you see the number of zeros here? Here I have only one zero that I have written here. Now we are going to multiply with 863 by 1. 1 3 is 3. 1 6 is 6. 1 8 is 8. So this is the way we are going to write the answer. Now here we could see 615 into 100. And in 100 how many zeros you can see? Quickly tell me how many zeros you can see? 2. I have written this 2 zeros. And 615 into 1. Same number will come because we are multiplying this number by 1. So I have written the answer 615. Next 246 into 30. See the number of zeros first. Quickly in this sum only one zero which I have written. Now I am writing here. Now I am going to multiply entire number by 3. 3 6 is 18. 18 means 8 will come and 1 is carry. So 3 4s are 12 and carry 12 plus 1 13. In 13 what is 3 I have written, what is carry? 1. 3 2s are 6 and 1 7. Now next 320 into 200. Now quickly count the number of zeros here. How many? 1 2 3. Going to write these zeros first. 1 2 3. Which are the numbers left now? 32 here and 2 here. And all you know the table of 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. Now one more sum 76 into 400. Now count the C's and zeros. 1 2. Here we don't have any zero. Only 2 zeros are there. 1 and 2. Now which are the numbers left? 76 and here we have 4. 4 6 are 24. 24 means 4 I have written and 2 is carry. So 4 7s are 28 and plus 2, that is answer will be 30. Hope everything is clear to you. Thank you children.